Hello, Kyle here. This is a question from section 1.8, question number 1. Actually, I'm really glad this question was sent to me because I myself found it a little bit confusing. They're asking something pretty simple, but the way it's set up is kind of strange. So I'm glad this question was sent to me, and I'm happy to walk through it. So in this problem here, they give you a table, and they're asking you to consider two values, right? We got A and we got B. The first row has already been done for us. So this is essentially they want us to practice arithmetic. They want us to take two numbers, add them, subtract them, multiply them, and divide them. Right? The first row has already been done. Right? If A is 45 and B is 9, well then A plus B is 45 plus 9, which is 54. Again, if A is 45 and B is 9, then A minus B, 45 minus 9, is 36. Right? Here's 45 times 9, that's A times B, and then 45 divided by 9. A divided by B is 5. So what they want us to do is fill out the bottom row. And then there's this weird way they have it, is like a multiple choice thing. So you got to choose between A and B. Now, the only difference if you look at A and B is that B says A divided by B is undefined. So that's the only distinction between these two options. You got to pick one. So let's start there. Like it's saying A divided by B is undefined. Well, undefined means I try to do the operation and I don't get a real number. Let me give you an example. Like if A was 10, right, this is a better way. Here we go. If A is 10, oops, there we go, and B is 0, right? Well, then A divided by B is going to be undefined because A, 10 divided by 0, we know we can't divide by 0. You can't break a quantity up into 0 equal parts. This is an undefined value. So that's what they mean by undefined. Now, we're not going to choose that option here. We're going to choose this option because here they're giving us an option to actually specify what A divided by B is. It's not undefined, right? If A is 12 and B is 4, then A divided by B is 3. Again, very strange problem. I completely am glad that this was sent to me. The way they set it up is so needlessly confusing, I would say. All right, let's just go left to right. We got A plus B. Well, if A is 12, B is 4, we're talking 12 plus 4 gives us 16. Now we got A minus B. Well, if 12 is A, B is 4, we got 12 minus 4, that's 8. And then we got A times B. Well, A times B, 12 times 4 is 48. And then, of course, we did the A divided by B already. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, so that's the problem. Hopefully that helps. I'm happy to answer any other further questions that you guys have. Thank you, and take care. Bye.